Okay, we're gonna try this again, and maybe today will go better than yesterday. We're not gonna try and do a sound-based thing. We'll try and do something that's not sound-based. So anyway, here's the setup that I'm thinking about. Uh, when I was in college, I used to play this Mac game called Daleks. Uh, you were on a grid, and there were a bunch of robots, Daleks, also on the grid. Each turn, you could stay in place or move, or a couple of other things I'll talk about later. After your turn, every robot took a step toward you in one of the 8 directions. If 2 robots collided, they died and formed a pile in the spot where they collided. If a robot moved into a pile, it died as well. Are you familiar with this game? Okay. In addition, once per game, you can use a sonic screwdriver, which kills everything adjacent to you, which kills the robots adjacent to you, and as many times as you like, you can teleport, which could put you in position to die. Okay, so now I would like to implement this game as a web app using HTML and JavaScript. Can you help me with this? Some at this zoom level, it doesn't, the enter doesn't work. So okay. Okay, like, give me the HTML. I don't know how to make it submit at the zoom level. Okay, perfect. So now we need a Daleks.js. Okay, what would the JavaScript code look like? Let's run this live server, and while it's doing this, let's just go. Oh, nice. So let's see what it's doing here. It's saying, here's a bunch of variables. Set up the grid, which is a div. We're going to row, div, cell. I don't know. I feel like that CSS is going to be a little bit tricky, but initialize the game state. Okay, let's see. Keep going. Okay, well, that's not good. But it seems to have lost something. Wow, it's still going. But it really messed up the okay, how do I VS Code format JavaScript? So let's do this. I already have it installed. Good. That's so Control Shift P. Okay, that didn't work. Why did that not work? Problems. Something is not balanced. God, what a pain in the butt. ChatGPT is not going to help with this. Okay, update game. Okay, is that closing out? That's closing out a for loop. So it looks like we need another one here. And now maybe it works. Okay, thanks. You were caught by Dalek. Does this code actually draw the grid or the player or the Daleks? Oh, it's using classes to mark that. What CSS do I need to make that work? Okay. How do I add that CSS to my HTML file? Oh, there we go. It's getting closer. Thanks. Okay. The Daleks getting a free move at the start of the game. I don't want that. Okay. Way for the player to move diagonally. Can we change the controls to allow for that? No, stop that. Why can I not? How can I stop? I need the player to be able to move diagonally. Seriously. Okay. So I'm just going to change all these. Down would be key X. Left would be key A. And right would be key D. And so now we need a bunch more of these. Key Q. Okay. Break, right? Case key E. This is where Copilot's helping. dx equals 1. dy equals -1. Copilot's good at this kind of stuff. Key Z. Key S. Okay. So now let's try this again. So now I should be able to go up and to the right. JavaScript event.key. Okay, I think this is just going to be, I think I got misled by ChatGPT. Okay, so now we go. Seriously? Oh yeah, I guess I was. Sonic screwdriver. Oh, but S was already no, that's sonic screwdriver. Okay, so now gonna wait. No, I can go. Uh-oh, now I'm dead. I think there's too many Daleks. That's part of the problem. Expression expected. Okay, we're getting better. Okay. Let's see. JavaScript case, multiple matches. Okay, I want to make this not case sensitive. So what I'm going to do is Okay. Okay, this is behaving a little bit wonky, but why is this not working? Okay, so now we need to the teleport function. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I'll make a teleport button. Okay, what's the issue here? What happened? Okay, that's where Copilot messed me up. So I need a teleport button. Okay, so now let's teleport. So now let's go up. Let's go down here. Let's go down. Why is down not working? Did that get deleted by my stuff? No, because this is wrong. Case X should be dy equals 1, not dx. Okay, so let's try this again. So let's teleport. So I don't like you were. I want to I want this its own function so I can call it whenever I want. Okay, but that broke things. Why did that break things? Okay, so now if I go bottom, I was not caught by a Dalek. All right. How long have I been going? 30 minutes. All right, that's enough for this experiment. So this one sort of worked, but it didn't work very good either. I've been using GPT-3 because, in part because GPT-4 is slow and I only get 25 messages every 3 hours. So I say, do you know the game, the computer game? See, it's slow. So you end up sitting here like waiting for a long time. And GPT-4 is supposed to be better, but, it's at the cost of sitting here and waiting for quite a long time. And so I was thinking 3.5 would be better because, because I don't want to like sit here and on video and wait for this to spit stuff out. It's actually, really, really kind of frustrating when it's not talking fast enough. And so, like, on one hand, let's stop. Okay. Write me the code for this game in HTML and JavaScript and CSS. So let's see what. Thank you. Something went wrong. Yeah, there was an error generating a response. So, anyway, I'm still going to call this one mostly a failure because the game it came up with isn't very good, and I bet I could work on it for a while and make it better, but I'm not real happy with it. So, yeah. All right. Anyway, that's enough for today.